Hi YouTubers, me and my little cousin Baylee are going to go to Dorado Nature Center in Long Beach, California today, and we thought we would take you with us. You ready, Baylee? Yeah, she's into her tablet, not so much into this YouTube thing like I am. So come along with us, we're going to have fun. So we just got to the Nature Center. It is $5 to get in, and there's actually two sides to the park. On this side of the park is the Nature Center, and the other side is the lake and recreation activities. And it's $5 a vehicle during the week and $7 a vehicle during the weekend. And we're here during the week, so we only paid $5. And there you have it, the Dorado Nature Center. I can't believe I've never been here before because I grew up in this area, but I never went to this park unless I did when I was super little, and I don't remember. It's really pretty right here. See any fish in there, Baylee?
Well, I did find a frog. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Don't know what kind of fish are in there, but there are fish. I don't know if you guys can see that one right underneath the tree branch. They do have an information center with all kinds of information in it when you come in. And little things for kids to do. And information about the animals that are here. We're going to go for a hike now, or a walk. Some turtles over there. I don't know if there's a zoom thing on this. Oh, there's one right there too. Cute little turtle. It's funny, at the beginning of the entrance of the park, it says no post pictures, only pictures of the animals. So no selfies, kids. If you're a selfie addict, don't come here.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
This place is pretty cool.
Maybe find a lizard and make good luck.
Are you having fun, Baylee? Yeah. I think she's having fun. She's super excited.
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Nature Center in the middle of Long Beach. Long Beach, even though it's a beach, is still a very busy city and very dense, and it's nice that they have a place that's not too expensive, but yet the $5 kind of keeps the riffraff out. But it's nice that they have this for people because being in nature is so important and connecting with nature is so important. So I love that they have this here, and I'm contemplating getting an annual pass for the parks in the area.
Found a squirrel.
Squirrel! There it is. He's cute.
Got the squirrel.
He's really cute.
See, I got the squirrel.
Is he still in there?
See, I got the squirrel.
Yeah, I see. I know you're excited.
Look, it's right there.
All right, I see something pretty cool. A lot of mustard grass. The mustard grass has been growing like crazy in California because we got so much rain.
I just saw a baby lizard cross again.
Uh-oh, you're gonna have good luck. When a lizard crosses your path, you have good luck.
So we got 2 good lucks for 2 days.
Sounds good to me. Should we buy another lottery ticket? Because I won $10
Yeah.
today.
So maybe that's your good luck.
So I guess there's a 2-mile trail as well. There's a 1/4 mile, and 2 mile. We're gonna go down the 2-mile one just a little bit, but turn back around.
With me, yeah, let's go, be free. With me, oh, come on and let's go, let's be free. With me, yeah, be free.
It's pretty with all the
Be
dense trees.
free,
Yeah.
be free with me.
So we're gonna finish this one off, and
Because it goes curved, so we're going to probably be on the right trail after this. The one that we're going.
well, no, this is the mile one, and then we're gonna get into my van, and there's another section of the park across the street where you can have a picnic by the lake, and we're gonna have a picnic by the lake, and then we're gonna come back here and maybe do the 1/4 mile trail. It should be fun. So this is the map of the park. We went on the 1 mile trail, and we're gonna go on the 1/4 mile trail when we get back from eating lunch. It's a pretty big park, and this is only one side of the park. We're going to the other side right now. So we're at the other park, and we're having our picnic. Bailey's having a Lunchables. I'm having a banana and an avocado and possibly some chips. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful over here. And we're going to go to the other side of the nature center, do the 1/4 mile. There's my van. 1/4 mile hike. And we're gonna do that without any cameras. So I wanna thank you all for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed your time with us. And see you next video. Bye.
Oh, come on and let's